Babylonian Mathematics, Quadratic Problems. Example 9.7. Solve for x if x squared plus 10x equal to 4, using the Babylonian the Babylonian quadratic formula. So we're finally going to look at a Babylonian method for solving quadratic equations. X squared plus 10x equal to 4. Now, whenever you are using a formula, it's very important to take care of the if. In other words, this formula reads if x squared plus px equal to q. And that means that if the equation was not given in that form, you need to put it in that form. Our equation was given in that form, so we're all set to go. We're going to begin by identifying p and q. P is the coefficient on x, so that's 10, and q is the constant term on the right-hand side of the equation, so that's equal to 4. The formula also contains a p over 2, so at this point I'm going to divide 10 by 2 to get 5. So I have all the pieces of my formula. Okay, so x is equal to the square root of p over 2 squared plus q, and p over 2 was equal to 5, and q was equal to 4. And then we're going to subtract out p over 2. So if I work this out, that's 25 plus 4, that's the square root of 29 minus 5. And if you use your calculator to get the square root of 29 minus 5, you should get, let's see, let's use an approximation since it's not exactly equal, a 0.3852. Now, just a word about your calculator. When you push the square root button on your calculator, you should see something like this. And so what you want to make sure you're doing in this case, if you're taking the square root of 29, close that parenthesis, and then subtract out that 5. If you don't do that, it's going to instead give you the square root of 29 minus 5. It's going to, in other words, it'll give you the square root of 24, which is not what you want. So you want to make sure you close that parenthesis before you subtract out the 5.